Why email marketing and social media is a great teaming go-between. Email marketing is a very effective way to market your product or service. It can easily take up most of your time, however, it can be deadly if you do not know how to do it properly. Hello and thanks for checking out my video. In today's video I am going to be talking about why email marketing and social media is a great teaming go-between. My name is Richard Murphy and I am from New Zealand, so for now just sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Many people think that they can use a simple list-building site, spam it full of offers and then send it out to everyone. The problem is that no one will give you their email address or remember your name. These are just a few of the many reasons why using social media alone is actually dangerous for your business. If you are new to online marketing, then email marketing may seem like a good idea. Some business owners will tell you that this is how they learn to market their business and that is the best way. That may be true, but it is not the only way. Email marketing can be extremely dangerous if you do not know what you are doing. Before email marketing, you need to develop your targeted audience. This should include people who are likely to purchase your products or services. This research can be done using the power of internet search engines. The key is to find those people that have expressed an interest in your business before. Then, follow up with them. Once you have identified your customer base, you have a much better chance of making money. However, email marketing and why using social media together is dangerous because you are going against the norm. In most cases, it is extremely unlikely that your email recipients want to hear from you. If they do not respond, you will lose a potential client. This is never a good thing when trying to make money online. The last thing that you want to do is use some kind of fancy sales phrase in an email that was intended to be casual. Just like with most things in life, being too casual can kill a marketing opportunity. Email marketing and why using social media together is risky because of this. You should try and keep your content as conversational as possible. The easiest way to do this is to send a message to your list once a week. At that point, you have already established some kind of rapport with your list, so you will have no problem building trust. Make sure to actually offer them a free product. People love to get something for nothing. You can also offer them tips and free reports that are related to your business, but always make sure you point them to your website. It is important that you stay away from spamming when it comes to email marketing and why using social networks. Spamming is one of the worst ways to destroy any business credibility. You should never ever submit any email to anyone. If you receive a complaint about an email you have sent out, address the complaint politely. This will earn you some goodwill from people on the social network site. If you spammed someone, you could face serious consequences and even lose your business. The bottom line is that you must stay away from spamming. But you also want to make sure that the content you are sending out to your list is the kind of content people would expect to find in an email. This is why marketing your business with email marketing and why social media is a great teaming go-between. Do not forget that when you are using social media sites to market your business, you are still marketing through email. Mixing the two can prove to be a very effective method of getting your message out there. Thanks for watching my video about why email marketing and social media is a great teaming go-between. If you got value from watching my video, hit the subscribe button below this video. Well, that's about all from me. This is Richard Murphy from New Zealand signing off until my next video.